Hey everybody, it's your boy Elvis, and I'm back with one more video. So this video is gonna be based on the new vehicle that's gonna be joining the team. So we have a Overlander camping build. I'm very passionate about camping. I always go camping with the family. So I got my hands on a truck, SUV to be exact, which I'm gonna show you in a few minutes. But I want you to know that this build is gonna be a budget build. It's gonna be a quick build. It's gonna be for anybody that wants to follow me and get out camping outdoors. A lot of people are getting outdoors because of COVID, so this is definitely a video you want to watch because everything is gonna be budget, and then it's gonna be good, and it's gonna be the basics that you're gonna need to get out there and see the outdoors. So as you guys can see, I don't have a roof rack. I don't have anything to carry my equipment, so like you don't need any fancy roof rack. All I have in my car is the trunk space, and that's all I use to carry all my stuff and all my equipment. So as long as you have a vehicle where you can put your stuff, you're good to go. Get out there, go in the outdoors, and see the stuff because you don't even need a tent. You could actually sleep in your car. Okay, you could sleep in your car. Oh, I will recommend you to get a net that comes here. It comes over the net will come over the window, and you could put the window down. You could sleep with the window down because you don't want to be in there with any any circulation. And you could find these nets on Amazon. They just go right over your door from the top to halfway, and then you just put down the window, and that keeps all the bugs away. I've added these little pillows on the car because it gets a little uncomfortable. They don't have anything to rest your head on because it's so flat. I guess that would be the first mod, and I'm working on fixing the armrest because the leather was really damaged. So I bought some leather on Amazon, and I'm gonna be stitching it on in the car. Okay guys, so this is the demonstration of how to put the mounting together. So I got the Nightlight 4-piece 4-inch 60-watt triple row flood spot combo for $29.92 right now on Amazon. The reason I picked this one is because you get 4 for $30, and come on, free 1-day shipping. This was amazing for the price. If one dies in a year, it cost me less than $10 to replace it. And I bought the Nightlight LED light bar mounting bracket. This is a 2-piece universal hood LED latch. So this was amazing just to mount it. So you get the LED in this bubble wrap here. So to keep it nice, here's the Nightlight logo. You guys see the LED light? Looks pretty good. We'll see how it stands up with time. This is a screw we're gonna mount in, so you can move it left or right, and also up or down. So we're gonna open the packaging and see what we get here. We got this little mounting kit, nut, another nut, but we're not gonna use this one because we have the mounting kit. This is the other one that we're not gonna use. Here's another one. Get a little tool. Here's the set. This is the mounting kit for 2 lights, and then in another bag comes the mounting kit for the other light. A washer and a locking washer. Washer and a locking washer. Okay, and now we're gonna open the light bar mounting brackets. Get another little key there. This is it. Thank you for choosing Nightlight. 2-year warranty. That's banging. Here's the mounting kit. Here's the other mounting kit. You get 2 of these. We'll hold on to one of those for now. Put one to the side. Okay. Okay, so what you guys want to see right here, this is these are these little pins this will move up and down and pushing this clamp together, so you clamp it to the hood or to wherever you're putting it, the trunk or wherever you want to clamp this. You can even clamp it to a desk most likely. Okay. See, so you use this and screw it down, and you unscrew all of these to bring it down. Okay, so what we're gonna do is, like, you want to screw this one here. They give you a washer, but with the washer, it doesn't clamp this down correctly. So you want to get this facing up like this, and then you screw it in. There you go. Once that screw, you could adjust it, and once it's adjusted on the hood, you tighten it to hold it into place, and then there you go. Okay, and we're gonna get here. You get this. You get your locking washer, then you get your washer, and this will be inserted into the back of the bracket. You see the nut in there. Let's see if I can get this in one try. It's a little hard. Then you just screw this in here, and as so. Now you see, you can move this like this. You can also move it like this. So up and down and up. And you can also, now you have also the ability to rotate left and right. Okay, so this is how you set it up. I wasn't able to get that washer, like I said, so to get it in, so I didn't put it in. I don't know, maybe that's for a different light, or I don't know. I don't understand why they gave you that washer. But here you get the washer, the locking washer, and then you get the nut. And then these pins, like I said, you clamp them in. They're pretty sturdy. I really like them, and I'll show you once they're in the vehicle, or maybe I'll put this after. Okay, so I showed you how to do it with the clamp, right? I'm going to show you how it comes without the clamp. So this is without the clamp, how they send you the pair of 4. You have the light with the nut here, just like that. You grab the bracket, grab the hex nut, goes in there, and then you would grab this one, locking washer, put it right here. It is a little tricky, but once it's in there, it's in there. So you can have up, down, left, and right. And this, you just stick it into your brush guard or your bumper or whatever you're gonna stick it into right here. And then you would put your washer, locking washer, and your nut. And that's how it is. It's a great kit. You get a pair of 4, like I said. And if you want to mount it to your, you want to mount it to your hood or your trunk, you buy the mounting hardware. Nice and easy. Okay guys, as you can see, here's the ditch lights. I have to still adjust them at night because they're still not wired in, they're just mounted. As you can see, this is the clamp. It's on the hood with this rubber, so it protects the paint. Yep, this is how it's clamped in. Let's see. I'm gonna run the wire through here. This to a relay and hook it up with a switch inside. This is the other side. So this is the finished product. of the ditch lights. I really like them. I would definitely recommend getting a set of these. They have a pair or a 4-pair. I do recommend them. And thanks for watching, guys. If you want to subscribe and give us a thumbs up and comment, that really helps us. And please follow the build, because this is going to be a budget build. You really want to see what budget stuff we could put on it. Thank you.